Do you feel that your motivation level is not strong enough? People with high levels of motivation often label people who have lower levels of motivation as lazy or even stupid. The truth is that there are a number of factors that can affect the levels of motivation. Having a low level of motivation is hardly anything to do with laziness or intelligence. If you find yourself with a low level of motivation, then the good news is that you can fix it. There are three main factors that can cause low levels of motivation. Typically, one person will have only one factor affecting them. Some people will fall into more than one factor, and that is okay. If you think that you are affected by any of these factors, please don't be alarmed, because you can fix it. A habitual behavior does not have to be based on a specific belief. In fact, most of the time, habitual behaviors have no real foundation. They can be something that you have done for a long period. And you may feel that these behaviors are impossible to break. This is not the real case. For example, as a child growing up, you were encouraged by your parents to eat a lot of sugar-based foods because they believed that these foods were essential for your energy levels. Your parents didn't believe in healthy eating and felt that these kinds of foods would give you the energy that you needed. When you become an adult, you realize that healthy eating is the right thing to do. Even with the strongest motivation, you find it difficult to break the habitual behavior of eating sugar-based foods. We all have habitual behaviors that we are slaves to and are difficult to break. The only way to break these habits is through determination and persistence. So if you had the habit of continuously eating sugar-based foods and wanted to lose weight, first you need to break this habitual behavior before you are able to achieve your weight loss goals. A habitual belief is something that you have held on to for a long time and you believe it to be completely true. You could have developed this belief as a child, and over the years you have made it stronger. Not all habitual beliefs that you hold are true or support your motivation levels. If you want to increase your motivation levels, it is important that you take a look at your beliefs to see if any of them are holding you back. If that is the case, then you need to look carefully at those beliefs and critically analyze whether they are true or not. It is pretty obvious that anybody who is overweight is going to look better if they lose a few pounds. But this person believes that they are average looking, so they have no motivation to lose weight. There are a few health issues that can cause low levels of motivation. Many individuals who are suffering from low motivation do not think about checking their health and do not realize that these are contributing to their lower levels of motivation. Some examples of health issues that can cause low levels of motivation are depression, brain fog, low blood sugar, gluten intolerance, and hypothyroidism. If you believe that you have any of these conditions, then you need to see a doctor for diagnosis and treatment.